Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Have you got the time to know about CoinDogs? If yes, then I have something more to tell you. Then that CoinDogs could be a blockchain primarily based for people that love dogs and breeds and NFT. This is often a multiplayer game where you will raise or purchase virtual dogs, and you can run it for fun and profit. So you can also build your own NFT assortment. All CoinDogs pass their distinctive deoxyribonucleic acid to youngsters via crossover. Now, before jumping into this platform, you should know why should you choose this platform. What can you do with this cute dog? You can do racing. You can race your CoinDogs against alternative players' dogs for fun and win coins to redeem their prizes. And you can have a very good personalization of these characteristics. They have a very good of personal or special accessories for your dog. You can select the good one to form it look cool. You can breed and gather your own army of CoinDogs. You will get as several breeds as you wish and add them to your dog squad. And you can also create your pup a celeb online by printing it as NFT. CoinDogs announces finish of beta and unharness of ultimate version. They have been operating enormous on immeasurable cool new option to form all NFT blockchain fans love it. And they have gameplay. You can get the most effective likelihood to form your sport race. Coins against alternative players with no racing fees. Race quite one dog to extend your possibilities of winning. And race conjointly on autopilot. Let your champion dog create coins whereas you sleep. And how can you win the competition? If you don't know this, you can't earn in this platform, so you should know about this. So firstly, you need to create her happy by adding cool accessories. Their CoinDogs like to shine and zip makes them happier than new glasses. As an example, you can beautify your CoinDogs as a result of the lot of accessories you get for them. Then a lot of your dog can fancy winning races. After that, you can share it to your social networks. By sharing it, CoinDogs allow and like to blow their own horns, their non-heritable wealth for his or her house owners. Therefore, a lot of you show others their success and it makes them happier and quicker they are going to become. You can be certified the moon circle is that the best. Their game is influenced by the particular cycle of the moon. It brings stimulating alternate nature to the gameplay and breeding diversity. So you can, if you are enthusiastic about having special rare game characters, then this is the best platform for you. You can have the Fearless Cash Mustelid and the Fearless Cash Mustelid. You can own these greedy and fat bastards and find them in by doing CoinDogs transactions. Simply pay the present owner and he is yours. Their accountants hate it. And you can use him to assist your dog race faster. Once breeding dogs when time of day throughout a phase of the moon, and there is a 200th likelihood you will get a long breath rather than a puppy, and through the new phase of the moon you would possibly breed a hellbound. So produce your own assortment of virtual pets and race against alternative players, rent or sell them, improve them or trade them within the NFT market. You will notice any breed of dog you will imagine in their games. Therefore, if you are a true dog lover, you will produce a military of dogs right there and now. So, you should not waste any more time and you should make the best of this platform. Join this platform now and earn as much as you can.